In this next segment, we're going to talk about switching the unit on and a general overview of the display after it's switched on. Switch the unit on. The front display will indicate our company name, the name of the instrument, the model of the instrument, the software version. In this instance, it's software revision 2.3, the serial number, which should correspond to the label on the back of the instrument, and it will indicate that it's warming up. The warm-up procedure is 60 seconds, and it will count down from 60 seconds. And then on the bottom left-hand side here, you have an indication of the current battery voltage. If you want to bypass the warm-up function, press the enter button, and this is where you'll see the selection for stall test or free acceleration test. If you press enter within 5 seconds, it'll go to the stall test. In this instance, we didn't. We waited for the countdown to then come up with the free acceleration test. This screen then ensures that you put the probe in a clean air environment and then press enter. As you can see, the probe for this demonstration purpose is attached to the top of the case, and we are indoors in a clean environment. And then you come back to the instrument and then you select the enter button. As you can see on the display, there is a bar graph that indicates the percentage of the zero setting procedure. If the processor is unhappy with the results with regards to the zero throughout that zero procedure, the bar graph will come back to zero as indicated. The ADC value is a value that is not really needed to be understood by the field operator. As you can see, the instrument has conducted its zero and it is now ready for the free acceleration test, and the operator is then to insert the probe into the exhaust and then press enter. If you are doing a single person operation test where the operator was to sit inside the cab of the vehicle and they had the probe in the tailpipe of the heavy machinery, they could attach the remote control prior to entering the cab to the instrument, to the 6mm jack that was indicated earlier, and this allows the operator to then sit in the cab, and with the instrument facing the operator can then start the test remotely from the remote control. So I'll demonstrate this now, and as you'll see, the LED sampling rate will change flashing frequency when going from idle to full load. I'll start the test now. The test will then do a countdown of 5 seconds. As you can see, it's the free acceleration test. It's in idle mode. The LED is flashing at a certain frequency. When it goes to full power, the LED frequency increases. The PM concentration is being displayed in milligrams per cubic metre. So as the LED frequency is changing, that's when the operator applies pressure to the accelerator to provide that full power, and then takes their foot off the accelerator in idle mode. This test will undergo a number of idle full power cycles, and then the test completed will be displayed on the screen, and this is where you have the free acceleration test results in milligrams per cubic metre, reference to elemental carbon. And then you have your supplementary data, which showcases the average concentration in idle mode, the average concentration in full power mode, the minimum concentration, and the maximum concentration for this particular test. This is where you have an opportunity to write down the test results, or you can then conduct another test. So to conduct another test, the operator can then re-enter the cab with the remote control and then press the enter button. As you can see on the display, it has restarting within 6 seconds. Comes back to the screen where you can either select my install test or free acceleration test. Again, we can press the enter button. Or in free acceleration test, make sure the probe is taken out of the exhaust pipe, put into clean air again, and then the test can be recommenced. So we're undergoing the zero again. The instrument will tell you when it's zeroed. And now we're ready for the free acceleration test again.